Hello friends, in today's tutorial we are going to learn about how to quickly change any color in your photo in Photoshop. So let's get going. I have taken this stock photo from Unsplash. See the link in the description if you want to practice on the same image. We will be changing color of her dress to any other color, for which we will be using adjustment layer. The steps are very simple, please follow me. Go to the adjustment layer icon and select hue saturation layer. In the hue saturation layer properties, you will see a hand tool. It is used to pick a color. Select and pick a color from the dress. You can expand the color using the color bar. To select complete color range of a dress, select the color picker with plus sign and pick color from different part of her dress. Now with the color selection done, you can work and choose any color you like from the hue bar. Also, you can adjust saturation or lightness. Saturation is to increase the intensity of the color, and lightness is for how dark or bright you want image to be, according to your liking. Make sure color change is not impacting any other part of the image. In case if it does, like the way the color is changing on her lips, we can use masking to mask it out. For masking, follow these steps. Take a brush with foreground color as black and paint over the hue saturation mask to hide any color change from the lips or any part of the image. So let me know down in the comments below if this technique was helpful to you or if you have any questions. If this is your first time at my channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also like and share the video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If so, I have another one that you may like. I will place a link to the tutorial down in the description. Thank you for watching.